In a dusty attic, Clara discovered an antique typewriter, its keys worn but inviting. Curious, she began typing, crafting a story about a sinister specter. As the final period fell, the air thickened. From the shadows, a figure emerged, its eyes burning like coal. It reached for her, whispering her deepest fears. She stumbled back, fingers still hovering over the keys. Desperate, she typed again, hoping to rewrite her fate. But the words twisted, becoming commands. The entity grinned, its form shifting as Clara realized her only escape lay in silence. With one last keystroke, she sealed her fate. The typewriter never stopped, and she became the story, forever ensnared in her own terror.